Welcome to Prêt-à-Template tutorials. Let's go through the full process of drawing the brocade corset. Open the garment section to find corset templates and select the one you want to design. For example, this one. Navigate through opacity sliders to reduce the template's visibility for an easy tracing, and pick a pencil to outline the solid lines of the template. Take advantage of the straight and freehand line modes for your convenience. Here's how it looks. Now let's add a layer for coloring and place it under this outline. Use a solid tool to fill in the entire area of the corset. It's best when the outline color is a bit darker so you can see it well. Next step, add a layer on top of this base color and pick a lighter shade to apply light with a watercolor brush. You can pick a light blue for a moderate silk-like shine. Now let's add a layer, and with this muted yellow hue, browse the pattern library and select an option for a floral design. Brocade is a woven fabric having a raised floral or figure design that is introduced during the weaving process, usually by means of a jacquard attachment. Let's make these leaves as a golden thread and add shine with a lighter color on the light areas. The same way, use a dark gold shade and place this pattern in the shadow side. You may put a transition shade in between. Now let's apply shadow on the layer on top of this pattern. It will affect both corset and pattern and unite them with a common shadow. Time for details. Use a shadow hue and a marker to show the boning of the corset. And since these parts are raised, add a light in the middle and shadow on the sides of each of these long cylindrical shapes. This will add volume and realism. Take a small white pen and add highlights to the golden threads and leaves. Place them in the lead side only. You may add just a few with a darker yellow color in the shadow. Use a small pen in the dash line mode to indicate the stitching following the template. The last detail left is to draw the small hooks. Use a pen to draw one and then with scissors tool select it and make copies. Here's a finished illustration. We hope you enjoy this tutorial and create something wonderful.